On this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you 3 ways to fix Instagram can't add audio problem easily and fast. First thing you wanna do, guys, or the first way is you have to go to the settings, go to apps, open the apps manager, and then go to the Instagram and click on it, and then click on the storage or the internal storage here, click on clear data and clear cache. That's the first way. The second way is you have to go into the Play Store or the App Store. If you have iPhone, search for Instagram and then click on Update. That's it, guys. It's very easy. And the third way and the last one is actually you have to remove Instagram from your phone and then install it back again. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. See you later.